So, you may still, our most successful traders show huge weakness, right? So weakness is not a factor of being a successful trader. We're humans, so we all have our strengths and weaknesses, but the successful traders cotton onto it a bit faster and they're smarter about getting themselves out of the situation. So we are trying to nudge people to just be aware, right? The most exciting thing that we've just launched in beta in the US is looking at biometric data, right? So we started with a Fitbit feed, and what we are doing with that exercise is we are correlating, your cardio, your sleep, your activity levels with your historical trade. So again, it's currently on game plan. So the idea would be, if you've been wearing a Fitbit for a year and you've been trading for a year, you can now look at we call it lifestyle edge. So, does the amount of sleep you have actually impact your results, or does your fitness or your etc. Right?
Does that work off historic data as well? So it's, if you're not in a good position to trade, it will tell you now's not the day for big positions.
So that is the goal. So in which case, it's the data that's important, right? So we'd love to have that concept of, how positioned am I to trade? Because you still trade, but you might want to be smarter about the size, right? So if you know it's a bad afternoon, but you want to be in a trade, maybe you make them a bit smaller. And that way, you're still getting the experience, you're not missing out, but you're protecting it, which is what we're